Welcome back, and we are going to hack out some DNA in this course. We know that DNA consists of four nucleobases, and that is guanine, cytosine, adenine, and thymine. Protein has guanine, cytosine, adenine, and uracil. And there are ways that you can manipulate and or hack DNA to turn it to protein if you need that doing your research, and we will get into that as well. But let's start with the basics. So let's just say DNA equals GCAT. And I say print DNA. And I run that. And that shows us our DNA. We can get a count on that DNA. So print. So tell me how many guanines are in that. And it shows us that we have one. All right, so I'm trying to copy and paste a few more here. Out. Okay. And so now if I do a count on the guanines, it's showing one because this hasn't reran. So if I run this again, then I run this, it shows me that I have 9 guanine in this particular sequence. I can say what's a quarter of that? It's 25%. I could say print a ratio of 1/4 times 100%. If I run that, you see it says a ratio 25%. And let's do a Boolean statement real quick. So is this a protein or is it DNA? So is there a U for uracil in it? And we know that should come out to be false. Okay. But are there cytosines in it? That should be true. There you have it. So the next thing we want to do is convert our DNA over to RNA protein. And to do that, we're going to have to allocate uracil where there is thymine. And to do that, I'm going to create a variable and instantiate it as a string. I'm going to translate it. We're going to say make trans and translate the TCGA to UCGA. We'll have a user to be able to put in the DNA sequence to be transformed, and then we will simply print out the RNA or protein equivalent after it is in fact translated over from DNA to mRNA protein. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run this. And you see we have a box that says enter the DNA sequence. We're just going to go up here and Copy and paste it. And there's our DNA sequence. And we are looking to replace the thymines with uracils. So the T should be gone and replaced with U's once I press enter. And we see the RNA sequence shown below, where the thymines have in fact been replaced with uracils. So that is going to wrap up this lesson. On cancer genomics and manipulating DNA. We'll continue our hacking in the next lesson. And here is a quick look of the beginning syntax in our next lesson. See you there.